Hello children, I hope you all are fine and safe. I am Mrs. Anjali Khandekar, your maths teacher. So let's learn maths with fun. In previous class, we had learned the number names of 1 to 100. Correct? Now today we are going to learn a new concept after, before and between numbers. Okay, so let's see. Okay student, now tell me, what do you mean by after numbers? Yes, after numbers means when we count forward from given number. Okay, we get the after number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the forward counting. Yes? Okay, so tell me, which number comes after 4? Correct. The number 5 comes after 4. Okay. Now, one example. Which number comes after 7? Yes, that's right. The number 8 comes after number 7. Okay. Now students, tell me, what do you mean by before numbers? Yes, before numbers means when we count backward from the given number. Okay, we get the before number. Backward means what? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the backward counting. Okay. So, tell me, which number comes before 6? Yes, the number 5 comes before number 6. Okay. So, now, what do you mean by between numbers? Yes, between numbers means those numbers which lies in the middle of two numbers. Okay. For example, which number comes between 5 and 7? Very good. The number 6 comes between 5 and 7. Okay. So, we will see more examples to clear our concept. Okay. Let's see. Now children, we will see a fun activity to clear our concept. Okay. Question number 1. What comes before? Okay. So, what comes before 71? Yes, correct. The number 7070 comes before 71. Now the number 6969. So, what comes before 69? Yes, very good. 6868. So, 68 comes before 69. Now the next one, 5454. Okay. So, what comes before 54? Yes, 53. 53 comes before 54. Now the next one, the number 32. So, what comes before 32? Yes, 3131. 31 comes before 32. Now the next one, 2424. What comes before 24? Yes, the number 23. Okay, 23 comes before 24. Now the next one, 8989. Okay, so what comes before 89? Yes, 8888. 88 comes before 89. Now the next one, question number 2. What comes in between? Okay. So, 7070 dash and 7272. So, what comes between 70 and 72? Very good. The number 7171 comes between 70 and 72. Now the next one, 62 and 64. What comes between 62 and 64? Very good. 63, 63. 62, 63, 64. So, the number 63 comes between the number 62 and 64. Okay. Now the next one, 58, 58 and 60, 60. So, what comes between 58 and 60? Yes, the number 5, 9, 59, 58, 59, 60. So, the number 59 comes between 58 and 60. Now, the next one. What comes in between 23 and 25? Very good. The number 23, 24, 25. So, the number 24 comes between 23 and 25. Now, the next one. 33, 33 and 35, 35. So, what comes in between 33 and 35? So, the 33, 33, 34, 34 and 35, 35. So, the 34 comes between 33 and 35. Now, the next one, 4, 2, 42. Okay, 42 dash 4, 4, 44. So, what comes between 42 and 44? Yes, the number 4, 3, 43, 42, 43 and 44. Okay, I think your concept is clear. Now the question number 3. What comes after 4, 3, 43? After 43, which number comes? 4, 4, 44. Okay, 43, 44. Now 6, 4, 64. Which number comes after 64? 6, 5, 65. Okay. Now, see. 7, 2, 72. After 72, what comes? 7, 3, 73. 8, 7, 87. Which number comes after 87? 8, 8, 88. 4, 9, 49. After 49, 5, 0, 50. 3, 7, 37. After 37, 3, 8, 38. Now we will complete this exercise. Okay. Write the missing numbers. This is 42. Which number comes before 42? 4, 1, 41. And before 41, 4, 0, 40. 4 to 42, 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. And 4, 6, 46. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Okay. Now, next, 5, 8, 58. 5, 9, 59. 6, 0, 60. 6, 1, 61. 6, 2, 62. 6, 3, 63. And 6, 4, 64. So, we will check out 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Okay. Now, the next one, 6, 3, 63. Okay. So, we will write the backward counting here. Okay. 63, 62, 61, 60, 60, 59, 59, 58, 58, and after 63, which number comes? 6, 4, 64. Now the next one, 7 to 72. Okay, we will write the forward counting. 7 to 72, 7, 3, 73, 7, 4, 74, 7, 5, 75, 7, 6, 76, 7, 7, 77, and before 72, 71 comes. 71, 71. Okay. So I think your concept is clear. Now take out your textbooks, page number 51. So here let's join the dots in correct order and fly in the sky. So we have to join the dots. 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19 and 2 0 20. Okay, so let's fly in the sky. Now the next one, write the next two successive numbers. Successive numbers means after, okay, forward. Okay, so 2 5 25, here what comes? 2 6 26 and 2 7 27. Now write the middle number in gap. Okay, 3 6 36, 3 8 38. So which number comes between 36 and 38? Very good. 3 7 37. Write the two successive numbers before the given numbers. Okay, two successive numbers before the given numbers. So children, successive number before the given number means you have to write backward counting, okay, or before number. Okay, so 1 4 14, 1 3 13, 1 2 12. Now we will check our answer. 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15. Okay, understood? I hope your concept of after, before and between numbers is clear. Now today's homework. Today's homework is complete page number 51 in your maths textbook. Okay, and solve all the examples in your maths notebook. Okay, so we will come with the new concept in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay safe, and most important, stay at your home.